So we got a room upgrade situation going on. We're about to do balloons. Okay, baby. Give me a second. Ta-da! So this is the day of the party. Everything's in place. Well, most things. My husband came down and got this video for me. So I missed things like the threshold that you had to pass through, which had vines and things like that to come in, because Mom requested them having to cross over a threshold into the jungle. So we had that. There was a welcome sign outside as well that had vines and things going from it. I have a tutorial on that number 1 for sure. Yeah, this day was such a blur. I really don't even have footage that it existed. Super excited. Everyone loved it. I'm happy with how everything turned out. I just didn't want to be in the way of the party. So on here, we're still missing a few coloring books on the table, because again, this is still a little bit of pre-prep. I was upstairs getting ready to bring those down. My husband came down and recorded. Those are coloring books. I can record those give a tutorial on that. Inside also includes custom coloring pages with the kids. So it's like their picture in coloring book form. I can show you guys that if you would like to see it. This is their stat charts, which stat charts so far are one of the most time-consuming things that I do, just because like you want to have it styled, you want to have, it's just a lot to the format, because some areas have more wording than others. I did those custom bubbles, I did chip bags, I did the boxes with the kids' names, I did the cutouts. Really, I did everything, but as far as I did the vases that the animals are on. Okay, I did everything. I guess there's no need to go down the line, but I painted the animals gold. This was also supposed to be another photo area. We had another room to begin with where it was just like a chill area outside the room, and this is where that was going to go. So I could have made this a little shorter, but they're taking pictures behind that so that you can get that scene from the movie. This is the kids' birthday banner from newborn to 12 months, which is so cool to just see the transition that they have made. Also, the centerpiece that has the 2 lions and says the Wright twins. I have a tutorial on how I put that together. Hopefully there will be more detailed pictures from the photographer. Oh, you can see a little bit of the threshold there. And then I'll share with you the details.